Hello, I'm Rohan and today I'm going to present to you Nrega Analysis using Tableau. This is my task 3 in Mentorness internship. So we're going to talk about the overview, abstract, problem statement, dataset information, variable description, scope and result. In abstract, we talk about the dataset used for this analysis, which comprises of different parameters such as number of job cards issued, the workforce engaged, budget allocation, work completion statistic, etc. By using this, we'll gain valuable insight into the implementation and impact of Nrega across different states and districts in India. In problem statement, we're going to discuss how effective is Nrega in providing employment opportunities. Is there any regional disparities in the implementation? What about the utilization of allocated budget? Is there any major key factors contributing to completion of Nrega works? Or are there any roadblocks, etc.? So in dataset information, basically we have 28 columns comprising on different types of parameters such as job cards, work details, budget allocation, work completion statistic and many more. This is a variable description of the dataset. So state name is basically a description of name of the state, district name, total number of job card issued, total number of workers, etc. In scope, in phase 1, we're gonna pre-processing of data and cleaning of data to ensure data quality. In phase 2, we're gonna exploratory data analysis to identify the patterns, trends, and disparities in the Nrega implementation. In phase 3, we're gonna use this data and showcase as a visualization techniques to present key finding effectively. In phase 4, we're going to draw in actionable insight to inform policymakers and administrators about the strength and weakness of the Nrega program. So this is our first problem statement where we have to find how effective is Nrega in providing employment or opportunities. As you can see in picture 1, you can see the employment over time in Bihar. The total number of job cards issued is so and so, and in the next image, we can see the total number of active job cards is that much. So you can see the difference in the numbers. The second problem statement is leaning towards the regional disparities in the implementation and outcome of the scheme. So according to the regional disparities, so we have taken for example 2 states, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh. So in Rajasthan, you can see the total number of workers who have been hired and the total number of active workers who are actually doing the work. You can see for the both states. The third problem statement is about the utilization of the allocated budget and how does it help in employment generation. So here we have taken another example of the state Bihar. Then we have the approved budget, and in the second picture we have the total expenditure. And in the next slide we can see for the same state we can see the total employment generation, that is the SC, ST, women's person day, which have been combined all together. The fourth problem statement is about the key factors which is contributing to the completion of the Nrega works, and is there any roadblock to success. So here we can see for the key completion, we can see the total number of active job cards and the number of completed works, and roadblocks such as number of ongoing works which are pending and the total number of active jobs. We can compare active jobs versus job cards issued. We can see there's around 2 lakhs difference. The last problem statement is to analyze if this data visualization is helpful for the policymakers and administrators to guide them in the scheme's impact. So by doing this, we can identify effective resource allocation such as like budget utilization. We can analyze how funds are being used across different regions and projects, where this helps identify areas where budget utilization is optimal and regions where fund may be underutilized or misallocated. Then we have labor distribution, where we can assess the distribution of labor resources to ensure the regions with higher demand are adequately staffed. Then we can highlight the regional disparities by using geographic visualization, which I have done previously, to highlight the disparities in employment, fund allocation and project completion rate across different states and districts. And the third one is to monitor and evaluate project performance. We can track all the various type of projects to identify those who are on track, delayed or completed. We can implement real-time monitoring dashboard to quickly address issues and bottlenecks. This is the dashboard which I have created using Tableau, which consists of 4 visualization from the problem statement. Thank you.